Við ætlum að gera þetta öðruvísi hérna. Ég er með bróður minn Gauta, hann ætlar að spyrja Ísrael Martin, þjálfara Hauka, spjör honum úr.
Hey, so Israel, quite a win at your home court, 4 points. You more or less led the whole game though. Your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, we was leading. Actually, that's a good point. We was leading the game, but a lot of up and downs. I think Grindavik, I mean, when they start to play in transition, they are very difficult. They have good drivers and good shooters, and it's difficult to stop them, you know. And I think the guards Dagur, Citrikur, and Ingwe, it's very difficult because they also find each other very well. And I think they will be better in the future. I mean, for them also it's a difficult game because they join 2 players new right now, like Jamar and Baldas, and in the future they are going to be very strong. And I think today small things make difference.
Because you were making excuses for Grindavik, I'm pretty sure that no Grindavik fan would like to hear that. But back to the game, you get great contribution from a lot of players.
Yeah, I was checking right now this, and we play with 8 players, and today everybody scored. You know, we play 8 and 8 guys scored. This is, I think, one of the key points for us is to share the ball, no matter who is scoring, but as much assist and as much open looks we got, I think it's better for the team in the long run.
When they equaled the game, what, 90-90 was it? What went through your mind? What did you say to your players?
Defense. I mean, defense and be patient on offense, getting some mismatch. Actually, Ingwe, I want to say that Ingwe today, he made like a huge games. We was reading the mismatch on him, and we put the ball down the rim and a few times, and he got 2-on-1s and solid minutes. And this is what we need. I like to play with deeper on rotation, and I need to find those players like coming from the bench, they are effective. And today it's a team win, so I am very happy for this.
So it's basically on to the next game and rock and roll.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.
Yeah.